Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Earth Signs. Okay, so tingnan natin kung may chance ba na mag-reach out si person mo ngayong April. Pero syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And syempre, don't forget our second YouTube channel na Love Letter. Yeah, see you there. O, diba? And, diba? Last na. Yung ating mga items is all available. Okay? Yung ating Evil Eye Protection. Meron tayong ring. Meron tayong bracelets. And necklace. Okay? So, meron din tayo pagdating sa love. Which is yung ating love bracelet. Okay? And si granter necklace. Yung taga-grant po. Ha? Ng mga minamanifest. Okay? And taga-pagbigay ng mga surprises. Okay? And syempre, yung ating pang cord cut. So, if you're interested, may mga tanong kayo, again, message po tayo sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? Okay. So, just be careful lang po, ha? Kasi maraming nanggagaya sa ating page. So, tingnan nyo na lang po yung ating followers. I think, nasa magsi 60k na ata tayo doon sa FB. I think 60k. So kung yung mga nakikita nyo is 100 lang o hindi tayo yon. And I don't lock yung ating profile o yung ating FB. Hindi po tayo nagla-lock. Okay, so tingnan natin earth signs, so 'di ba? Let's start with, Taurus. Okay, so Taurus placements, will this person reach you out by April? Okay, so, the Eight of Wands universe, somebody's not talking. No, walang communication. Some of you, there's this blockages or block in general. So, anong meron sa taong to, Taurus? Sino to? Anong meron sa kanya? The world. So, may malayo, distansya, pwede. Okay, gusto mo tong taong to actually. What's with that world? The temperance. Temperance! Yeah, you're waiting for this person, I think. You're waiting for them. You want something, maybe answers or whatsoever. Yeah, the magician. Hindi ko alam kung lumayo lang sa'yo tong taong to. Or talagang naging silent na lang. So, may chance ba na mag-reach out? So, we have here fixed signs. Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, and Aqua. We have here Sag. Okay. Don't get too hung up sa ating mga zodiac sign na binabanggit. This could be any sign. Okay. Let's see. Will they reach out this April? The Seven of Swords in reverse. And the Eight of Wands. Oh, ngayon nag-upright sa Eight of Wands. Kanina naka-reverse yun. I think, may chance na makakarinig ka from them. Makakakuha ka ng message. Whatsoever, they will reach you out. Okay? May chance ng pag-reach out dito. Yeah. Masyadong nakakalumbay, masyadong nakakalungkot kung hindi kayo mag-uusap ng taong to eh. Some of you, mag-asawa kayo nito. Yeah. Parang may simpleng arguments lang na nangyari or samaan ng loob. Pero by April, nakakuha ko magkakaroon ulit ng, sabihin nating, improvement pagdating sa connection, I think. So, there. Okay, so fire and air. So, yun. Next is Virgo. Yeah, we'll just check kung ano ba, may chance ba na mag-reach out yung person. And kumukuha tayo ng specific na energy ng person para alam mong siya yun. Okay? So, Virgo. So, Virgo placement. So, sa mga pwedeng mag-timestamps dyan, maglagay sa comment section ng time. Thank you. Okay, Virgo. Who is this person you're thinking? The Eight of Swords in reverse. Ayaw mo na nang iniisip itong taong to. Sa totoo lang, I think. Yeah, the Six of Wands. They strung you along. Yeah, they strung you along. They're a jealous person. Some of them. Andun yung parang hinawakan ka nito sa leeg. Wala kang freedom from them, Virgo. Yeah, kaya nang may nangyaring tower. May nangyaring separation. Okay. Pwedeng inalisan mo. Kasi nakakasakal na. So, may chance ba na mag-reach out? I don't know, some of you, gusto mo lang malaman kung may chance ba. Naalala ka pa ba? Parang ganyan. Let's see. The Sun in reverse. And the Eight of Pentacles. They're busy. Yeah, they're busy. The Empress. Some of them, parang may iba. So, yeah, parang may iba. Pero ang nakukuha ko is hindi nila kaya yung kakonect nila sa ngayon. They're sad. Naiisip ka ng taong to ngayon. They're making themselves busy. Hindi nila kaya yung kakonect nila ngayon kasi parang hindi nila kayang kontrolin. Some of you, kinaya ka nitong kontrolin eh. Pero yung kakonect niya ngayon, hindi niya kaya. I don't know, may chance na sabihin nating busy rin yung tao. Or marami lang talaga sabihin nating hindi niya kayang bigyan ng rules like that. Anyway. So, they're sad actually. Yeah, the Nine of Swords in reverse. It's like, magpapaka-busy na lang ako. Wala akong nakikita rito pag-reach out po. Yeah, wala akong nakikita pag-reach out dito. Pero, itong taong to is comparing you doon sa current person. That's specific. Okay, so next, Capricorn. So, Capricorn placements, will your person reach you out this April? Will they reach out? Will they reach out? Capricorn. So, who's this person, Capricorn? Who are they? The Three of Wands. Pwedeng malayo sa'yo. May distansya. The Sun in reverse. So, matagal mo nang hindi nakikita siguro itong taong to. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some of them, they are a negative thinker or overthinker. Yeah. They're sad. What's with the Sun in reverse? Let's see. Pwedeng matagal mo na talagang hindi nakikita or naririnig itong taong to. The Six of Wands. There's this ego. Ma-ego, ma-pride. Ayaw nito na parang matatalo siya. Hindi ito papatalo, Capricorn. Okay? Kung ikaw, kaya mo to, kakayanin din niya. Parang ganyan, or sabihin natin masihigitan niya. Hindi yan magpapatalo. May ganun siyang personality. Attitude. So, will they reach out? Will they reach out? Now, some of them, they're waiting for you. They're just waiting. Okay? Kung patigasan kayo nito, magmamatigas siya lalo. Let's see. Will they reach out? The Devil in reverse. Tinitingnan niyan. I think they're mirroring you. If you're not reaching out, then hindi rin sila mag-reach out, Capricorn. The Devil in reverse. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Kala mo, Capricorn, ha? Parang ganon. Kung pinapakita mo, pinaparamdam mo sa akin na parang wala na ako sa'yo din, wala ka na din para sa akin. Parang ganon. Okay? So, maybe that's their way how to protect their emotions. Parang ganon. Pero, sa totoo lang, sila yung weak. They're the weak. Oo. They're the weaklings. Five of Swords. Yeah, the Queen of Cups, Five of Swords, in reverse, the Chariot. Hindi pa ito nakaka-move on. May chance na itong taong ito is parang ibinabaling lang sa ibang mga bagay, yung emosyon nito. Okay, kumukuha ng dahilan para, alam mo na, hindi mangyari or hindi niya maramdaman na kawawa siya dito. Parang ganyan eh. The King of Wands. May pagkamayabang iba sa kanila, sa totoo lang. Or talagang dinadala lang nila yung sarili. Magaling lang magdala. Parang ganon. Okay? So, they're trying to mirror you. Okay? Like, talagang minamanage yung emosyon pagdating sa'yo or sa sitwasyon ninyo sa ngayon. Okay? So, ginagaya ka lang niya. Hindi sila mag-reach out. Magpapatigasan kayo nito. See? The Four of Cups. Pero they want to reach out. The Page of Wands. And the Ten of Cups. You make them happy, sa totoo lang. Okay, the Four of Cups, andyan yung upset siya. Parang ganon. Okay? Kung hindi kayo nagme-message yan, hindi kayo nagchat-chat, or hindi siya parang feeling niya, hindi mo na siya naaalala, parang ganon. Yun, deep down. Okay? So there. Yeah, yan ang aking reading for you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. So again, thank you. Goodbye.